Hello dear students, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good and have understood the previous concepts of Chapter 2 addition by watching the previous videos. Children, in our today's video we shall learn addition using expanded form. Expanded form makes it easier to find the sum of the addends. We can break or expand one or both the addends into hundreds, tens and ones to calculate the sum easily. Expanded form makes it easy for us to add the given addends. Now let us understand this with the help of an example. The example is add 239 and 853. Children, we have three methods for adding given two addends using expanded form. Let's discuss the first method. Here is method 1, the first method. In the first method, we will expand the smaller addend. The question is to add these two addends 239 and 853. In our first method, we shall expand only one addend, that is the smaller addend. So the solution starts here. Step 1. Expand the smaller addend. This is the smaller addend and this is expanded here. 200 plus 30 plus 9 plus the second addend. So in total we have 4 addends here. Now step 2, add the hundreds to the greater addend. Add the hundreds to the greater addend. Here is the 100 and here is the greater addend. So we shall add 200 and 853. You can see we have brought them together and we have added them here. Children, these addition, the rough work must be shown on the right hand side. So here we are adding 200 and 853 and we will also write the remaining addends in the same line. So 200 plus 853 gives us 1053 plus 30 plus 9. This is step number 2. Step number 3 says add the tens to the greater addend. Add the tens to the greater addend. Okay, here is step number 3. It says add the tens. In the second step, we added hundreds to the greater addend. In the third step, we will add the tens to the greater addend. Here, after this step, 1053 is the greater addend. We will add 30 to it and plus 9 will be written, which is equal to 1053 plus 30 gives us 1083 plus 9 will also be written here. Now children, the fourth step. Step number 1 was to expand the smaller addend. Step number 2, add the hundreds to the greater addend. Step 3, add the tens to the greater addend. And step number 4 is add the ones to the greater addend. So after adding the greater addend, that is 1083 plus 9, we will get 1092, which is the result, which is the sum of the addition. The sum is 1092. So children, what we did? At first we expanded the smaller addend. Then in the second step, we added 100 to the greater addend. Then in third step, we added tens to the greater addend. And in the fourth step, we added ones to the greater addend. And in this way, we find out the sum.